everybody, Smelsy back again. I'm back with a hobby football break. I got one box of 2011 Panini Threads. Now, this box has 24 packs, 8 cards each, and we're looking at 4 hits per box, autograph and mem cards per box. I picked this up at Blowout Cards on sale for $49.95. So let's get cracking. A lot of good rookies in 2011, but if you followed my channel for a while, you know who I'm looking for. I'm looking for my AJ Green rookie autograph. That'd be pretty sweet. Alright. Again, something you don't see too often in newer stuff. Checklist. Alright. A lot of packs. Should get tons of cards here. Alright, here we go. Pack 1. Dallas Clark, Jonathan Stewart, all rookie team Gresham, Gilchrist rookie, Eli Manning, Greg Jennings, Antonio Gates, Nate Washington. Pierre Thomas, Aaron Rodgers. Nice looking card. Richard Gordon rookie. Chekwa rookie. Andre Johnson. Chris Cooley. This feels like a thick pack. There might be some dummy packs. Joe Flacco. Ben Watson. Wes Welker. And we did get a decoy. And then we got a Quentin Carter rookie. Fred Jackson, Bo, Mendenhall, and Josh Freeman. Kelvin Johnson, Mark Turner, Ryan Matthews, all rookie team 2010. Virgil Green rookie, back-to-back Bronco rookies. Cedric Benson, Green Ellis, McCoy, Armadillo. Joseph Adai, Steve Smith, Star Factor, first one of these, no Sean Marino. Not a bad looking insert. Lee Smith, rookie. Haven't done really good with the rookies yet. Jabbar Gaffney, Preston, Kobe Ford, and Vernon Davis. Alright, another thick pack. This could be the first hit. Let's see. Nate Burleson. Ooh, yes. Buck Buckner. Buck Buchanan, sorry. Heritage Collection. If it's that says Prime. So it's probably the, I don't know, number or something like that. The 9 out of 50. Game worn material. Very cool. Definitely don't have any cards of him in my collection. Buck Buchanan. The Chiefs. Cool. Old school hit. Orlando Franklin rookie. Third Bronco rookie. Man, like hit over Floyd. Alright, 3 hits. I don't believe I've had a parallel yet either, so if I miss one, please let me know. Kind of hard to look at the foil down there. Cribs. Triple Threat. Castle, Bo, and Charles. As far as Jenkins, rookie. Terry McFadden. Moore, Bowden, Gerard, Maud Black, rookie. Larry Fitzgerald, Brian Cushing, Patrick Willis, and Edwards. Another thick pack here. We got Bess, Peyton Hillis, Colson, Decoy, Bruce Carter, rookie, Cowboys, Walter, Johnson, LT, Tebow. Ain't halfway through the break yet. Still looking for 3 hits. Oh, Tom Brady. Pettigrew. Big Ben. Van Dyke rookie. Raiders. Jordy Nelson. Spiller. Randy Moss. And Mike Wallace. Oh, thick card. Matt Ryan. Dallas Clark. Jonathan Stewart. Decoy. Ryan Whalen from my Bengals. Mike Thomas. Carson Palmer. Cadillac Williams. Macklin. Alright, halfway through the break here. Rowdy White. Peyton Manning. Greg Olson. Gridiron Kings. This has got a textured finish to it. Pretty cool card. I like that card. Keem Ayers. Hightower. Schwab. Carlson and Sanchez. It just feels like I'm missing parallels because I haven't hit any. Whoa. We got Clay Matthews. Ray Lewis. We got Matt Ryan, Steve Barkowski, Generations. Scotty McKnight, rookie for the Jets. Charles Ochocinco, Winslow Jr., and Michael Vick. Looks like we have a thick card. Lewis. Drew Brees. Best. Oh, this is a cool card. Another vet card here. Dual jersey. Jim Brown and Ernie Davis, Generations. Wow, look at that. That's a cool card. I actually sold my Jim Brown jersey card and I regretted it, so I'm very happy to put this in my high number, 297 out of 299, but I don't care. That is a cool card. Awesome. We got Finley from a Bengals rookie. Woodhead, Marino, Avery, and Murphy. Very cool. We got 2 more hits. Ray Lewis, Jones Drew, Johnny Knox, Decoy, Luke Stalker rookie, Tim Tebow, Snelling, Zach Miller, and Lynch. We got Stafford, Gonzalez, Reggie Wayne, rookie class for the Jags. Ooh, Blake Bling Gabbert, E. There's a nice looking auto on there. Blaine Gabbert. I guess there's everybody else. It's not a horrible one to get. Number to 350, 334 out of 350. Blaine Gabbert rookie class auto patch. Very cool. All right, that's our 3rd hit. And Cameron Haywood, Buckeye, rookie for the Steelers. Jim Clausen, Holmes, and Kenny Britt. Hester, AP. We got a foil rookie. Marcus Gilchrist for the Chargers. That's numbered 46 out of 100. I believe that's my first show number card. Rookie, Heartland, McCoy, Ryan Matthews, and Moss. Felix Jones, Reggie Bush, Clay Matthews, Star Factor insert. I think it's the second one of those. Daenerys Moore, rookie. Foster, Evans, Gore, Palomalu. Cutler, Harvin, Terrell Davis, Heritage Collection. Insert. Raheem Moore, rookie for the Broncos. Fitzpatrick, Castle, Smith, and Beauregard Blunt. All right, looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more packs. 1 hit left. Jason Witten, Bradshaw, Driver, Dwayne Harris, rookie for the Cowboys. Shipley, Branch, Big Ben again, and Bradford. I think it's a pretty big check list. I've got a lot of cards. I haven't had too many dupes. I think it's a decent checklist on this. Dallas Clark, Stewart, Mike Wallace, Star Factor, Alden Smith, rookie, Todd Heap, Sims Walker, Hines Ward, and Steven Jackson. Alright, 3 hits, 3 packs. Chad Henne, Cribbs, Schwab, Marcus Gilchrist, base rookie. Go with his foil 1, Matt Forte, Joe Rebb, Deshaun Jackson, and Hasselbeck. Decoy or thick card. Decoy, Lance Moore, Bolden, Garrard, Decoy, Chris Conte, rookie for the Bears. Wells, Green, Crabtree. Alright, last pack should have the last hit. Come on, AJ Green. Brian Urlacher, Ronnie Brown, Des Bryant, and we got a Sue Gridiron Kings jersey, plain jersey swatch. Back's kind of cool. The back is like a painted texture canvas, number 299. Guess the front is too. Jersey swatch down there for the Lions. So 1 autograph and 3 jerseys. Got a Marcus Gilbert rookie for the Steelers. Williams, Marshall, Chris Johnson, and Phillip Rivers. Alright, let me get things together and we'll do a quick recap. Alright, you get tons of base. I got all the big name players. Pretty big checklist, so I didn't get too many dupes, but not a bad looking base set. Some inserts. Star Factor, I got 3 of those. Clay Matthews, Marino, and Wallace. All rookie team, got 2 of those. I got all these 1 per box here. Triple Threat, Generations, Heritage Collections, and Gridiron Kings. Rookies, I did get 1 per pack, so I got 24. No huge names. So I'm kind of disappointed in that. I would like to get Julio or AJ Green. But I can't hang it with not bad from a Buckeyes. And I did miss 1 serial number card. Did you guys figure out which one it was? I did have the Gilchrist number to 100 rookie. And I missed this Matt Schwab. And that is numbered to 250. So I ended up with 2 serial number cards in that box. And the hits, pretty happy with the hits, I have to say. Sue jersey. Buck Buchanan jersey, prime it says. That's numbered to 50. Probably my coolest card I liked in the break is Jim Brown and Ernie Davis. Dual jersey Generations. And the 1 autograph, Blaine Gabbert. And that was numbered to 350. So, pretty fun break. I don't know if I'll open another one, but I kind of did like the old school hit, so I don't know if I see it go down in price again. I might try another blast hobby box of this. That's it for this box of 2011 Panini Threads, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.